Professor Dave here. Let's conjugate fare.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
For the first conjugation, that's 3 irregular verbs down and just 1 more left. Let's conjugate fare, which means to do. This is perhaps the most important and most common of the 4, especially because Italian uses fare, where English might use one of several other verbs, like to take. But first things first, let's conjugate the verb, which will only be surprising for the first person forms. Io faccio. Tu fai. Lui fa. Noi facciamo. Voi fate. Loro fanno. These can be used very simply to ask what someone is doing. Che fai di bello? Even with di bello, this pretty much just means, what are you doing? Che cosa fate stasera? Fare is also used when making things. Grazia fa I tortellini ogni domenica. There are many other instances in which fare is used where an English speaker might not expect it. Fare una fotografia. Fare la doccia. Fare il bagno, in the tub or also at the beach. Fare colazione, o pranzo, o cena, o merenda. So in this case, fare is referring to eating a meal. Fare la spesa. Fare un viaggio. Fare una passeggiata. Fare fortuna. Fare la scarpetta, which is to scoop up pasta sauce with a piece of bread, one of the most Italian things you can do. Fare un regalo. Fare una domanda. Fare una brutta figura. Fare il pieno. Fare le valigie. Fare la fine del topo. As you can see, Italians are quite liberal with this verb and have found many creative uses for it. And good news for us, that completes our investigation of all first conjugation verbs. So let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.